Hello, welcome to another awesome video in our series, how to set up an online store website in 15 minutes or less using a free and powerful open source e-commerce software called Opencart. In today's video, we are going to learn how to set up your store shipping cost in Opencart. So let's go to our store backend and then log in with our login details, and then open our storefront in a new tab. Okay, shipping cost is the extra fee that we charge our customers to cover the cost of delivering the item or items they purchase from our website to their doorstep. And then to help you define and collect the shipping cost, Opencart comes with a host of shipping modules that you can use to set up your store shipping cost. So let's go to the backend and see some of these shipping modules. Okay, so we go to extensions, click on extensions, then from the drop down here we select shipping. Okay, here you have different modules that you can use to set up your store shipping cost, and mainly there are two variants here. We have the modules that are linked to courier companies such as the Australia Post, EC Ship. I think this is linked to a Hong Kong courier company. And you have FedEx, which is a very popular courier company. You have Parcel Force and then Royal Mail, UPS, and United States Postal Service, that's USPS. Okay, and we have other variants that are not linked to any courier company, such as the flat rate shipping module. Okay, so to set up the flat rate, let's click on the edit button here. The flat rate shipping module can be used to set up a flat rate shipping cost for our store. Here we may enter a flat rate shipping of 1,000. Then from the tax class, we select the tax class that is applicable to the shipping cost. Then from the geo zone, we select the geo zone that this flat rate shipping is applicable to. For me, I will select all zones. Then the status, we select enable to enable this module in the storefront. Okay, and then sort order, we enter the sort order in relation to other modules in the storefront, and after we click on the save button here. Okay, now another module that we can check out is the free shipping module here. We need to first of all install it, so we click on the install button here, and after we click on the edit button. Here we can set up free shipping if the order total gets to a certain amount. For example, I can put 50,000. If your order total is up to 50,000 naira, you will qualify for free shipping. And from the geo zone, we select the geo zone where this free shipping is applicable. For me, I will select Southeast, then select enable and sort order 2. Okay, and after click on save button. Then we have another one, the item shipping module. We need to install it, and after we click on the edit button, we can now specify the cost of shipping each item in the shopping cart. For example, we can collect 500 naira for each of the items customer has in the shopping cart, and select the tax class applicable to the shipping cost. And then the geo zone, you can now select, for instance, all Nigeria, then enable sort order 3. Okay, then click on the save button here. Now we have another very important shipping module, the pickup from store shipping module here. We need to install it. Okay, then click on edit button. The pickup from store shipping module allows your customers to come to your physical store to pick up the ordered item from your store location. Okay, so we can now select the geo zone where this shipping module is applicable to. From here, I'll select Southeast Nigeria, enable then sort order, let's say 4, and click on save. Okay, now the very important shipping module that we need to look at is the weight-based shipping module. So we click on the install button here, then click on edit. The weight-based shipping module will calculate the shipping cost based on the total weight of the item in the shopping cart. So if you are going to be using this shipping module, you have to pay attention to the weight of your products. Okay, to set up the weight-based shipping module, from the general tab here, you select the task class applicable to the shipping cost, select enable to show it in the storefront, then the sort order in relation to other modules, and after, you need to set up the shipping rates for different geo zones in your store. If you don't know how to set up a geo zone in your store, you go to the third video in this series, which demonstrated how to create a new geo zone in your store. So to set up the weight-based shipping rate for a geo zone, we have to observe the format, and the format is mass weight column, then shipping cost 1, mass weight 2, shipping cost 2, mass weight 3, and shipping cost 3, and so on and so forth. For example, we can specify the shipping rates for the all Nigeria zones as follows. Okay, here if the mass weight is 0, the shipping cost is 0. If the mass weight is above 0 and up to 2 kg, the shipping cost is 1,000 naira. And if the mass weight is above 2 kg and up to 4 kg, the shipping cost is 2,000, and so on and so forth. You observe the format here. Okay, and remember to select the enabled status here in order to show this in the storefront. We can also set up the weight-based shipping rates for the Southeast Nigeria geo zone as follows. Okay, if the mass weight is 0, the shipping cost is 0. If the mass weight is 2, the shipping cost is 500, and so on and so forth. And after we select the enable status, we ignore the UK and UK VAT zone here. Okay, and after we click on the save button. Okay, now we need to see how the shipping cost applies in our storefront. So let's go to the storefront and go to laptops and notebooks and click on our demo product here. Okay, let's add the item to our shopping cart. Okay, and go to our shopping cart page. Okay, from here we can now estimate shipping and taxes. Okay, so the country is Nigeria, so let me select Enugu and click on get quotes. Okay, here the flat rate shipping rate is 1,000, the additional 75 being the VAT applicable to the shipping rate. And here we have the free shipping, which the cost is 0, and the per item shipping, here the cost is 537.5 naira. Okay, the pickup from store is also 0 because the customer is picking it up from your store. Here we have the weight-based shipping. For all Nigeria zone, we have the cost as 1,075, and for Southeast Nigeria, if you are in Southeast, the cost is 537. Based on the rate we set up in the weight-based shipping, the cost for the Southeast is less than that of the all Nigeria zone. Okay, let's increase the quantity in the cart. Let's increase it to 2 and see. Okay, as you can see, the flat rate shipping is still the same irrespective of number of items in the cart. Okay, the free shipping is also here because I'm from the Southeast zone. the per item shipping has increased to 1,000 because now we have 2 items in the cart instead of 1, and then the pickup from store is still the same because no cost is applicable to the pickup module. Then here under weight-based shipping, you can see the all Nigeria zone has doubled because we now have 2.94 kg. This is above 2 kg. So we are now having a different cost for the weight-based shipping. Okay. So let's change the location. For example, let me change the location to Abuja. Okay. And click on get quotes. Here you can see that some of the module has disappeared because of the zone where I am now. Okay. For example, we no longer have the free shipping module. We no longer have the pickup from store option. Okay. Because of the geozone. So this is how to set up shipping costs for your online store. In our next video, we are going to talk about how to set up payment method for your store. And if you have gained any value from this video, kindly click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to know whenever I drop awesome video on my channel. Thank you and peace.